Hey everyone, welcome to CoolCon Tech Reviews here. Today I'm super excited to talk about something that's going to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Yes, it's the Samsung AI-enabled smart refrigerator. Now you might be wondering what makes this fridge so special. Well, let's dive right in. First up, the AI vision inside. This feature is a game changer. Imagine this, you open your fridge and it automatically recognizes and catalogs everything inside. No more digging around or guessing what's in there. It tracks expiration dates and even suggests recipes based on what you have. It's like having a personal chef right in your kitchen. Next, let's talk about the Family Hub. This isn't just a refrigerator, it's a command center for your home. With its massive touchscreen display, you can leave digital notes, stream music, watch videos, and even control other smart home devices. All from the convenience of your kitchen. And speaking of smart home integration, Samsung's SmartThings platform is seamlessly integrated. You can control your oven, dishwasher, lights, and more, right from the fridge. It's all about making your life easier and more connected. But wait, there's more. The Samsung AI-enabled smart refrigerator also has a range of customizable designs to fit any kitchen aesthetic. Whether you're into sleek, modern looks or a more traditional style, there's an option for you. Now let's get into some real-life use cases. Picture this, you're a busy professional trying to juggle work, family, and everything in between. The AI vision inside helps you keep track of what's in your fridge and what needs to be restocked. You get recipe recommendations so you can whip up a meal in no time. Or maybe you're someone who loves hosting parties. The Family Hub lets you stream music, control your smart lights, and even pull up recipes for those last-minute appetizers. It's the ultimate party assistant. And for those who are all about sustainability, this fridge helps you manage food waste by keeping track of expiration dates and providing reminders. Less waste, more savings. So, what's the bottom line here? The Samsung AI-enabled smart refrigerator is more than just a place to store your food. It's a powerful tool that enhances your lifestyle, makes your day-to-day easier, and keeps your home connected. If you're ready to take your kitchen to the next level, check out the Samsung AI-enabled smart refrigerator. Trust me, once you experience it, there's no going back. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay connected. Peace.